there's one checkbox that can instantly ruin your VA rating. If it is marked no functional loss or no impact on work, your claim just got downgraded. Most veterans never see it happen. I'm Sam from VA Claims Mastery. Today, where that box hides, what it really means, how to stop the wrong checkmark, and how to fix it if it already hit your file. Want my team to review your case, get you unstuck, and build a claim that actually pays? Book a one-on-one strategy call using the link in the description or pinned comment. Prefer DIY with guardrails. Join my free AI Claims Bootcamp. I will give you the prompts, checklists, and templates. Where the checkbox lives and why it matters. You will see versions of this on many DBQs and exam screens, ortho and spine DBQs, items about functional loss or impairment, whether pain, weakness, fatigability, or incoordination, significantly limit function with repeated use over time, and whether you have flare-ups. General medical and work impact. Items that ask if the condition impacts the ability to work. Mental health. DBQ. A single overall impairment level choice, from mild or transient up to total occupational and social impairment. When the wrong box is checked, your daily limitations disappear on paper, even if your body says otherwise. What that box really means. VA rates are based on function, not just diagnoses. Those checkboxes are shortcuts the rater uses to decide. Ortho, your range at the first painful point, and whether repetitions or flare-ups reduce function. Work impact, whether symptoms interfere with reliable work. Mental health, your overall day-to-day impairment level. If a box says, no functional loss, or no work impact, it signals, pay less. How to prevent the wrong box from being checked. Bring this exam script and use it verbatim. 1. Speak in numbers, not feelings. Standing 10 minutes means I need to sit. Sitting 20 minutes means I must change position. I lift 10 pounds maximum. Stairs are one flight with a rail. 3 prostrating migraines each month. I lie down 4 to 6 hours in a dark room. I missed 2 shifts last month. CPAP percentage of nights used 85%, 5.3 hours per night. Residual AHI 3.2. I am still unsafe to drive long distances after lunch. 2. Lock down the ortho pieces. Pain starts at, I cannot safely go further. After 3 repetitions, pain increases, and I have additional loss of motion. Flare-ups 3 to 4 times per month. During flares, I lose another and cannot perform. 3. Name real-world work impact. I miss 2 days per month, need 2 30-minute rest breaks daily, and make errors afternoon from pain and fatigue. Near-miss driving event last month due to daytime sleepiness. 4. Anchor mental health severity to function. Panic 2 to 3 times per week, sleep 4 hours broken, avoid crowds, I left a store last week, I missed 2 appointments. 5. Ask for an accurate recording. Please record the first painful point, the after repetition change, the flare-up effect, and the work impact. If the examiner still downplays it, submit a same-week clarification. A short statement restating your numbered limits and any parts of the exam that were not recorded. The 6-piece evidence bundle that fixes bad checkmarks. Key test, sleep study, MRI and EMG, audiogram, ENT obstruction percentage, endoscopy or pathology, whatever proves the condition. Mini nexus in 3 to 4 lines. It is at least as likely as not that is caused or aggravated by because. Treatment notes. Highlight phrases that demonstrate persistence and functional limitations, such as time, distance, breaks, and safety. Buddy or partner letter, specific scenes, missed shifts, help with daily activities, leaving stores, near miss while driving. Symptom and effects log, dates and numbers such as episodes per week, minutes and hours and distances. Cover sheet and exhibit map labeled A through F, so nothing gets lost. Filing lanes to repair damage and protect back pay. When your service-connected condition worsens, attach your fresh numbered evidence. Supplemental claim when the problem is missing proof. Add new and relevant evidence such as the mini nexus, test results, logs, or updated notes. File within 1 year to protect your data chain. Higher level review when VA ignored what was already there. No new evidence. Request an informal conference. Point to the exact pages and lines the examiner or rater missed, and explain why the checkbox is inconsistent with the record. Could you make a move within 1 year of the decision to continue the pursuit and guard against back pay? Fast pitfalls and fixes. Pitfall: I am managing. Fix: replace with numbers and examples. Pitfall: only one limb documented. Fix: if both sides are symptomatic, record the left and right. The bilateral factor affects the math. Pitfall: no CPAP data or ENT numbers for sleep apnea claims. Fix: add percentage of nights used, hours per night, and residual AHI, and the ENT obstruction percentage or structural findings. Pitfall: mental health box stuck on mild. Fix: bring a frequency and impact log that matches a higher impairment level. Download your Blue Button VA medical records, which includes all dates and boxes. We can help you build the 6-piece evidence pack to win your claim. Book your 1-1 strategy call with us if you are looking to fast-track your claims into approvals. If a wrong box already tanked you, pick the right lane and fix it on paper. If you need help, book a 1-on-1 strategy call or join the free bootcamp. I will walk you through every step with templates. Like, subscribe, and turn your ring-a-ding-ding notification on so you get more videos like this in your feed. See you next time.